Dear students, today I am going to explain you about discounts. In your grade 10 syllabus, lesson number 8, we have discounts. This is coming under the cash book topic. Therefore, we want to see what is a discount first. Discount is a deduction of value from a value of a transaction. As an example, businesses they will deduct some amount from the listed price of that good. It is also a discount. Shall we see how to record these discounts and what are these discounts we can receive in a business? If you take discounts, there are two categories of discounts. First one is trade discounts, another one is cash discounts. In both of these discounts, we have two categories as discounts allowed and discounts received. Shall we see what is trade discounts first? Many businesses used to make a deduction from listed price of a good. The deduction from a listed price of a good is called trade discount. It is a deduction of value from a listed price of a good. This trade discounts, we have two categories, discounts allowed and discounts received. When we are selling goods, our business productions, then we can deduct some amount from listed price. That means for our customers, we have given a deduction from a listed price. It is called discount allowed. That means we have given that deduction to another party. Then our second category is discounts received. Discounts received. That means when we are purchasing goods from other business, they will deduct some amount from the listed price. That means from our purchases, we will receive a discount. It is a discount received. For both discounts allowed and discount received in under trade discounts, no need to make accounting adjustments because it is a deduction from listed price. Always, if we get the invoice or bill of these transactions, already these trade discounts are deducted from the prices of goods. Therefore, normally we will record the amount which has made deductions. Therefore, no need to make records for this trade discounts in accounts. Then I will explain you cash discounts. This is very important in accounting. We are making some adjustments in accounts for this cash discounts. Cash discounts also we can explain by dividing it two categories. First one is discounts allowed. Second one is discount received. This cash discounts, we can see these cash discounts in both sides, discounts allowed and discounts received. If we consider this discounts allowed first, we are giving this discount to our debtors. In our business side, this discount allowed is our expense. That means when our debtors are settling money for our business, as they have paid on time, we will give them a discount. As an example, Nimal is the debtor of our business. He owe rupees 20,000 as he has purchased goods on last month for the value of 20,000. We have given a credit period of 1 month. If he is making a settlement earlier, we can give him a discount of 10%. If we have given discount of 10%, the total value is 20,000, then we have to calculate the discount by multiplying 20,000 by 20%. 20,000 by 20%. That means rupees 4,000 discount we have given. Altogether, he has to pay us 20,000 and we have deducted 4,000. Therefore, 20,000 minus 4,000, rupees 16,000 he has to pay to settle our dues. But in accounting, we have to record that 4,000 also. The double entry for that discount allowed is discount allowed account debit, trade debtors account credit. Shall we see what is the double entry principle behind this double entry? We debit discounts allowed account. As I told you, this discounts allowed is our expense in our business side. We have make a deduction. That means we are not receiving that money. Therefore, we have to record that as an expense of the business. Based on that, we have to debit discounts allowed account. It is increase of an expense. Then we have to credit trade debtors account. The rule is that is a deduction in trade debtors value, decrease of an asset. Therefore, we have to credit trade debtors account. Once again, the double entry is discounts. Once again, the double entry is discounts allowed account debit, trade debtors account credit. I'll explain you some examples after explain you discount received also. Discounts received. Received means our business received a discount. As an example, when we are settling money to our creditors, as we have paid on time, these creditors will make a deduction from our values. As an example, at the earliest payment of rupees 10,000, we will receive discount of 10%. This discount percentage will differ from business to business. Imagine this creditor has given us 10% discount. We have to pay him 10,000 as our due. Then he is giving us 10% discount. To calculate the discount, we have to multiply 10,000 by 10%. 10% of 10,000 means rupees 1,000. 10% of 10,000 is rupees 1,000. Therefore, we have received a discount of 1,000. Then shall we see how to record this 1,000? If we consider this discount received, it is an income of our business because it is reducing the value we have to make payment to our creditors. We have to identify that as income of the business. Therefore, it is an increase of income. Increase of income means it is a credit to discounts received account and we have to debit our creditors account. As we have paid money to our creditors liability is decreasing. Decrease of a liability, therefore trade creditors account debit and we have to credit discount to the discount received account. We have to record all these transactions in the cash book also. Now shall we see what is the change with this discount in the cash book? You can see the format of a cash book with discounts in page number 95 of your grade 10 textbook. I will explain you how we are going to use this format. If we see the cash book including discount columns, we have to add two columns, one for debit side as discounts allowed before the value column, and in the credit side also we have to add a separate column called discount received and then the value column. Shall we take one example and I will explain you how to record that examples. Imagine we have sold some goods, rupees 20,000 valued goods to someone. Then we have given we have given them a credit period of 1 month. On 15th January, someone is purchasing goods on credit basis. Therefore, someone is our trade debtor. We have given 1 month credit period. Before the end of 1 month period, someone is settling money at the earliest. The value is 10,000. Value is 10,000. We have sold 10,000 valued goods to someone. Therefore, we are giving a discount of 10%. Here, sales value is 10,000. Therefore, there is a debtor called Saman for the value of 10,000 in our business. Before the end of his credit period, he is settling money at the earliest. Therefore, we are giving 10% discount to him. We can calculate the discount by multiplying 10,000 by 10%. Then the discount is 1,000 rupees. Now, when we are receiving money, we have to record this rupees 1,000 in our accounts also. As we have given this discount, it is an expense of the business. Therefore, we have to identify the double entry. For this rupees 1,000, we have to debit discount allowed account and credit it to the debtors account. As well as we are receiving 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000 from our trade debtor. We have to record that also. That figure we can debit it to the debtors. That figure we can debit it to the cash book because we are receiving money 9,000, and we are receiving money from our debtor Saman. Therefore, debtor Saman's account we can credit that amount, as well as we are crediting that 1,000 also to debtor's account. Therefore, full 10,000 we can settle off in the Saman's account. Shall we record that transaction in cash book as well as debtor's account? Then you have to draw another account called debtor's account. When we record this transaction in cash book and debtor's account, you have to draw another account called debtor Saman's account. You can name this as Saman's account or debtor's account, no problem. Now we got the double entry as cash cash book or cash account debit and debtors account credit for that 9,000, and discounts allowed account debit and debtors account credit for that 1,000. Here we are using this discounts allowed column in the cash book to record all discounts, and at the end of the period we will get the total of discount allowed column as well as discount received column, and we will transfer that amount to the discount allowed account as well as discount received account. Therefore, for the moment when we are recording transactions, normally we are writing all figures for these columns. Now, our transaction is we have received 9,000 from our trade debtor after deducting discount. Go and debit here in the cash book 9,000. Shall we take the date as 15th January? I I recorded 9,000 in the cash book debit. Therefore, go to debtors account, debtors amounts account, and credit here 9,000. Now credit here 9,000. Date is 15th January. You have to change two account names here, cash account. In cash account, you can write someone's account or debtors account. So, debtors account. Now we know that there is a discount of 1,000. Instead of debiting that amount to the discounts allowed account, we will write here 1,000 straight away in the discount allowed column. And you go and credit here 1000 in the Saman's account, credit here 1000 and write discount allowed. You remember that at the end of the period we will get the total of discount allowed column and straightly we will debit that to the discount allowed account. That means your debit entry. Then I will take my another example. In our business, we have another debtor names Kamal. Kamal has purchased 20,000 valued goods on 2nd February, and we have given a credit period of 1 month. The value is 20,000. We have given him 5% discount as he has made the payment on 18th February at the earliest. Shall we take that example also? The value of that transaction is 20,000. That is Kamal 20,000. He has purchased on 2nd February 20,000, but he is paying money at the earliest 18th February. We are giving our discount of 5%. 20,000 into 5%, that is also comes to 1000. Our discount is 1000. We can deduct that from here. We can deduct that from here, 1000. That means we will receive 19,000 from Kamal. And we have to settle the balance with our discount received. Sorry, we have to settle that amount with 1000 discount allowed. Now we can record this. We have to debit this figure to the cash book as well as we have to credit 19,000 to the debtors account, and for this 1000 we have to write it in the discounts allowed column as well as credit to the debtors account. You have to draw another ledger account for Kamal. This is my debtors account, Kamal's account. Now I will record this transaction also in the same cash book. Now we have received 19,000 from Kamal. Therefore, I will debit here 19,000. 18th February I received this money. At 18th February I will debit here 19,000, and there is a discount of 1000. I will write here 1000. And when we come to Kamal's account, we have to credit that amount from the Kamal's account. Credit here 19,000 as well as you have to write here 1000 as the discount allowed. Here date is 18th February, cash account, and for this you have to write discount allowed. And discount allowed column we have written 1000. You go and write here debtor Kamal's account. Debtor Kamal's account 1000. Now I will explain you an example for discount received. We have purchased goods from Sunil for 15,000. We have purchased goods from Sunil for 15,000 on credit basis. That means Sunil is our creditor. We have purchased this goods on 15th March. Sunil has given us a credit period of 1 month, but we have settled this money at earlier 31st March. 31st March we have made settlement. Then Sunil has given us a discount of 10%. 15,000 in discount of 10% is 1,500. 1,500 is our discount. Therefore, we have to pay 13,500 13,500 to Sunil to settle our dues. Now, shall we see how to record this amount? We are paying 13,500. That means it is reducing our cash balance. Decrease of an asset, therefore credit. Now go and credit here 13,500. Discount received, we will write here in the discount received column 1,500. 1,500, and we are paying this figure and receiving the discount. Therefore, we have to debit this amount to our trade creditors account. Therefore, you have to draw separate account for trade creditors Sunil. Okay, this is my trade creditors account. Here I will go and debit 13,500, and there's a discount 1,500. Here I will take this date as 31st March. Here in the cash book also you write the date 31st March and write here creditor Sunil. Now I will write here 31st March and cash account because we have debited cash, credited cash account, and write here discount received. This discount received is an income of our business. For the moment, we are writing discount received figures in the cash book credit side discounts received column. End of the period, we will get the total of this discount received and credit it to the discount received account. Okay, I will take my next example. We have purchased good from Kamani on 1st of June. Kamani has given us a credit period of 1 month, but this amount is 15,000. We have purchased good for 15,000, and Kamani has given us 5% discount when we are making settlement of on 14th June, because he has she has because she has given a credit period of 1 month, but we have settled before that on 14th June. Therefore, we are receiving this discount of 5%. 15,000 into 5% means 750. We are receiving this discount. We have to pay 14,250. Now we are making the payment of 14,250, and we receive a discount of 750. This 750 is a deduction. It is an income of our business. 14,250 decrease of an asset because we are paying this amount out of our cash book, cash account. Now, double entry would be trade creditors account debit cash book credit for this 14,250. For this discount received, we have to credit this amount to discount received account, and straight away we can debit this amount to trade creditors account. Shall we see how to record this transaction also? The date is 14th June. We are making payment of 14,250. We have received a discount of 750. I wrote that in the discount received column. And we need a separate account for trade creditor company. Okay, now debit this amount to trade creditors account 14,250. Our date is 14th June, and this discount of 750, you have debit that to trade creditors account. We are making the payment. We have already credit that amounts to the cash book. Now write here creditor money, and debit here. Write here cash account and discount received. In exam questions, sometimes they give opening balances of this trade debtors and trade creditors. If so, you have to write the opening balance of creditors and debtors. As an example, if they have given this 15,000 balance of company's account in the question, you have to write here 1st January balance brought forward 15,000. Then you can see when we are making the full payment, this trade creditors account will balance. Here also 15,000. Here also 15,000. In the debit side also 15,000. Then it is agreeing in both sides. Now, in this type of questions, if they have given to record these transactions in the cash book and the ledger accounts of trade debtors and creditors, you have to enter these transactions to cash book and ledger accounts. Then finally, you have to balance these accounts and get the balance brought forward to next date. Okay, if it is given for the month of January, in the end of the month of January, that means 31st January, you have to balance this account and get the balance brought forward.